Within 2 months of plunking tomato seedlings in the ground, the fruit should be filling out and starting to turn color. After everything involved in preparing the soil, training and pruning, warding off disease and nurturing the crop to its grand finale, you would think that the act of harvesting would be a painless, straightforward affair. But when it comes to tomatoes, there's more to harvesting than simply plucking it from the vine and biting in. There's a bit of science, too. Here are a few pointers to deflate the myths and make sure that you get the best tasting tomatoes as a reward for all your hard work. A tomato is at its peak of flavor when it becomes fully colored, whether that's red, yellow or green striped, and the texture is somewhere between firm and soft when you push into it with your thumb. In many cases, they will mature to this ideal state on the vine. If so, pick them as they ripen and enjoy. It's best to cut them off with scissors or hand pruners with a short stub of stem attached. Otherwise the area around the scar at the top may rot before you have a chance to eat. With determinate tomato varieties, the fruit ripens all at once, so you should be ready to make tomato sauce, can them, dry them or find other ways to preserve or make use of the harvest on short notice. Indeterminate varieties produce fruit on rolling basis throughout late summer until the first frost of fall. This is a blessing for home growers who just want a few tomatoes for salads and sandwiches each week, but it means you will inevitably have unripe fruit of varying sizes left on the vine at the end of the growing season. Any green tomato that is at least 3/4 of its mature size will ripen indoors into a respectable red tomato, but the less mature fruit can still be enjoyed by pickling, as fried green tomatoes or in other recipes that call for unripe tomatoes. The first cold snap of fall signals the end of the tomato season, but if you pick the last of the fruit and allow it to ripen indoors, you can enjoy the harvest for many more weeks.